16900 Clifton. Hey, say hi. So he's getting, this is the other crew working on the other side. Excuse me. So let's go in here. They're going to be doing all the basement in this one too. So let's go through this one because there really wasn't a lot down here to do as far as prepping. But again, they're prepping all the drywall, making sure that everything's ready to go on this one. They're going to spray, of course they spray the ceilings first and then go from there. Let's go in here. So you can see they spray. Some of them roll, some of them spray. These guys spray. So, so you can see all this is getting done. So they got this one ready to go. Here's this one. So they got this one. He showed me this. We had a just tearing all this got tore out too, and all that got done. And then he's going to drywall this. This is kind of how these are built. These little. It's kind of unique. It's kind of how long would it take to build a place with that? Take a little while. So again, this one's prepped, ready to go. So we can start moving on that. Here's this one. They just prepping and show you he said he'll be pretty much done with this one next week on the spray because he's going to go down and do the basement and everything. So there's a sprayer. That's all here. All the materials here ready for them to go. They got this cleaned out, ready to go. Gonna be spraying this. So it's all good. They're gonna be doing the ceilings first and then doing the walls. So he's got all his stuff done in here and he'll be ready to spray. This guy works a little faster than the other crew, but they're both very good crews and dealt with them many times. So this is your, and by the way, the heat's working well in here too on this, and be happy when I start putting the paint down. But again, this is a big place. So this is your other update video. Next week is Thanksgiving, so unfortunately I won't be here to do another video, but I'll probably come back. I will come back over here Monday or Tuesday of the next week and get you a brand new video. I hope to have all the painting done and everything, but everything's running very good and everything's looking good. Thanks. Have a great day.